Today I got this Lifetooler LED lamp in from a friend, and she just said basically I can have it because it didn't work anymore. She had it for a month. So I was just looking online after I took a chance to try to fix it, and I was looking at their website on Amazon and noticed there was some really shoddy comments that they had about them, that it was very fragile. And it is true. There is some photos that somebody had uploaded, and it's very similar to how this one is. And we will click on the photos, and you'll see what I mean in a second. And this is a random person's photo. You can see that the charging point is sitting on top of the base, and that's what they had to say about it. And you can see the circuit board itself, the pads, it had ripped off as well. So, in the next clip, I'm going to tear this one down and show you the same deal and what happened with this one. So a friend of mine just dropped off something that I'm going to do for her for a video. This is called Lifetooler. It's a little light, you know, USB light. As you can hear and see, there's no socket inside anymore. It has hopefully stayed inside. We'll find out. 4 screws on the bottom. I guess this is on and off. Not sure if this had the battery inside or not. It appears just to be like a little small. There we go. It does have a battery. And it's a touchless switch. So I'm going to turn this off. I'm not sure where this is from. I don't know if it's a Target buy or where you would find something like this at. Okay, well, it does have one little battery there. I'll get the other 2 screws out of the way. Here is the connector, and I am going to take and remove the screws from the board here and here. I try to be careful and not get near this battery because I do know it's got power to it with any of the circuit board. Definitely we'll have to pay attention to this when we do any soldering. And you can see the bottom of the connector here. The pads have came and left with the connector. So it just looks like it got hot glued on. Kind of see the glue inside there. Let's get down here closer to the board itself. You can see the circuit board. And we have some pads that are ripped. I have an LED, which I'm not sure why you would have LEDs inside of a unit. It's potentially you cannot see. I mean, you can have one light here, one hole here on the side. I guess you could probably see something, perhaps. I can solder one side here. And then we're going to have to see what goes where. It's just going to be a little interesting little repair. I had to take and remove the pads from this here. And then obviously you can see this pad here is going to be the negative. And this was supposed to be the positive. So I'm guessing this here, here's your negative here. This is just a socket board in between. So this little ridge here is going to be your negative. And your positive feeds right here. Got this copper pad that feeds right into this resistor here, R2. Okay, that's good. Alright. Now, on the opposite side, it will be attached to the LEDs. Now, I don't know. I'm assuming this, it's going to be your grounds, it's going to be your positive. Okay. This could be potentially fixed. What I need to do is take and remove the pads from here. And I'm going to have to just basically glue this down. Let's see if I can get in this. See how I was before. Sorry for the phone's auto-focusing for me. So that's how that's going to have to be. It's something like this. Actually, might get lucky. And we have the pad. And we do. There you go. There's the pad. And there's like glue. So they got one pad, and we can work with the other pad. That won't be a problem at all. And then we'll take in solder on this side still. We'll take and scratch this off, and we'll go from here to here with the solder bridge, and then from this side here to this, I'll take one of these lead clips that I did from the past clock video. That's why I saved these. And I'll make a solder ridge from here to here. And that'll fix that problem. So we just got to take and clean this all up. So I guess the first thing what I need to do is take and get this attached back on. Just gonna adhere it to the right side. And where it should be, I believe, like right here. I could be wrong. Could be a little bit more over. I kind of have a fat tip on this, so it's going to be a little hard working with this. I'm going to take... Now, what it should do when I plug it in, I assume, is have a little charging light. It shows that it is charging. And there you go. And now that should be charging. And that's how you fix a bucking socket on the inside of one of these Lifetooler touch lamps. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. So after plugging it in a second time, it came loose again. I would suggest putting hot glue around your connector now before buying. If they had just used the proper connector, the one that would have the pin that goes straight through the board, instead of being the surface mount soldered one, then this would have been completely avoidable, and then they would have a better product. And then you wouldn't have people like the one that I've shown on Amazon, and this one that was given to me by a friend. I was 2 instances having the same issue. Pretty sure that this is going to be the same problem without a doubt, and other people are going to have the same issue. So, if you do have this issue, good luck. All I can say is just do the best you can for soldering, making a connection between the two. I didn't really go in full detail or say or show how I did it. It just, because it was like 40 minutes long. Yeah. This thing's only $15 and it ain't worth 15 seconds of your time. So, if it was me, I wouldn't buy this product unless they fix their problems. That's all I have to say. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Please consider subscribing.